In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change menu items based on user logins. When running a WordPress membership site, a forum in WordPress, or allowing users to submit posts, you may come across situations where you want to show different navigation menus to logged in and logged out users. For example, you may want to show logged in users a link to their profile, and a link to sign in or register for users who are not logged in. To do this, first you need to install and activate the User Menus plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, go to Appearance, then click on Menus. Now, when I expand this menu item, here you have the option where you can choose who can see this menu item. You can choose if everyone can see this menu item, whether the logged out users can see this menu item, or the logged in users can see this menu item. So first I'll choose the logged out users. Now I'll just save the menu. And now, if I go to the site and reload this page, the FixRunner menu item is now hidden because I'm logged in with my admin account. And if I open this page in a private tab, the FixRunner menu item is now displayed because I'm not logged in anymore. Now, if you want to change the menu item for logged in members, then you have to further specify who can see this menu item. You can either choose which role can see this link or can't see this link. Then choose the respective roles from here. This is how you can change menu items based on a user's login. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.